The federal government of Naija don promise to improve police officers' welfare across the country. Dis plan go include better housing, modern equipment and access to clean energy. All dis na to boost morale and make police work better. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu through Vice President Kashim Shettima announced dis during the first ever National Police Day celebration for Abuja. The president declare April 7 every year as National Police Day to honor the sacrifices of Naija Police Force for maintaining peace and security. The historic event get parade, guard inspection, silent drills and other display to show police courage and dedication. Vice President Kashim Shettima tok say government serious about police welfare including clean energy and better housing for the officers.
I reaffirm this administration's steadfast dedication to the welfare and empowerment of the Nigeria Police Force. A secure Nigeria is vital for our collective prosperity. And this vision begins with ensuring that our police force is well equipped, well trained, and well motivated. We are resolute in our commitment to police welfare and comprehensive reform. To that end, let me assure you that the federal government of Nigeria will institutionalize 7th April as an annual celebration of National Police Day, cementing its place in our national calendar and demonstrating our enduring appreciation for the Nigeria Police Force. Let it be clear, 7th April is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a symbol of our enduring partnership and respect for the Nigeria Police Force, a day firmly entrenched in our national consciousness.
Inspector General of Police, wey dem dey call Kayode Egbetokun, also promise say police go continue to reform and put eye on professional and people-friendly policing.
Our reform agenda is well underway. We have initiated strategic policies and programs focused on capacity building, ethics and attitudinal reorientation, modernization of operational tools, and enhanced transparency and accountability. We are embracing technology, intelligence-led policing, and community engagement as cornerstones of our service delivery model. Our goal is clear: to build a police force that commands trust, delivers justice, and reflects the democratic ideals of our nation.
The event brings together security agencies, retired police officers, and top dignitaries to show their support for Naija Police Force. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.